Search engine optimization, or SEO, what most real estate agents have relied on for over a decade to get found on Google and generate leads, is becoming obsolete. If you're still stuffing keywords into blogs or trying to rank generic content hoping it shows up on Google, you are already invisible. Search has changed, and Google isn't the gatekeeper anymore. Artificial intelligence is, and the rules of the game have completely shifted. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to stay visible in 2025 and beyond by understanding the shift from SEO to AEO to GEO. And most importantly, what you need to start doing today if you want tools like ChatGPT to recommend you instead of your competition. This is the biggest change to online visibility since the birth of the internet, so let's break it down. Let me explain the evolution so you understand the stakes. First, we had SEO, search engine optimization. The goal was to get clicks to your website by ranking in the organic results. Then came AEO, or answer engine optimization. This was all about voice search and snippets. Think Alexa, Google Home, Siri, tools that gave quick spoken answers. Now we're in the GEO era, Generative Engine Optimization, and the goal isn't to get clicked, it's to get included. Because with GEO, AI tools are generating full answers. They're not just showing links. If your content isn't a part of AI's response, you do not exist. Let me say that again. In the GEO era, being accurate, helpful, and context-rich isn't optional. It's the new visibility standard. So what does this mean for you as a real estate agent? Here are the hard truths. 60% of searches today result in 0 clicks. That means Google shows an answer and users never visit a website. AI overviews now appear in over 50% of Google results and growing. Voice searches are heavily local, and local is exactly where real estate lives. Let me give you a few real-world examples. A buyer says, "Hey Siri, what are the best family-friendly neighborhoods in Austin?" Or, "Hey Google, how much does it cost to live in Scottsdale?" If your content does not answer that in conversational, context-rich ways, guess who the AI is going to recommend? Not you. The biggest threat to realtors right now isn't other agents, it's invisibility. GEO stands for Generative Engine Optimization. It's not about ranking first anymore. It's about becoming a trusted, factual, and helpful source of knowledge for AI to pull from. Here's how it works. When somebody asks ChatGPT a question, maybe it's a question about moving to Miami, the AI searches its database for reliable, contextually rich information. That might come from your blog or your YouTube videos or your Google My Business profile, but only if that content is structured and written in a way that the AI can understand, cite, and synthesize. So what matters now isn't just keywords, it's authority, factual accuracy, conversational tone, and context-rich explanations. Because AI isn't just looking for a snippet, it's trying to write a human answer that sounds confident, helpful, and complete. Let me give you the tactical roadmap with clear comparisons between how SEO worked in the past and what GEO demands of you today. Starting with YouTube, from keywords to conversations. The old SEO way, the title, Homes for Sale in Dallas, May 2025 Market Update. The new GEO way, title is Dallas still a good place to buy a home in 2025? Add long-form answers in your script, include questions in the description and timestamps, and use pinned comments with Q&A for better context. When it comes to Instagram, which now is being indexed on Google and ranking on Google as of July 10th, the old SEO way, hashtag spammed post with vague captions. The new GEO way is carousels like top 5 neighborhoods in Raleigh for families with contextual info using text on each slide. Write save-worthy captions that mimic blog-style answers. Add location and call to actions like want a relocation plan, DM me Raleigh guide. With TikTok, from viral to valuable, the old SEO was trends, sounds, generic home tours. The new Geo, video 1, what 750,000 gets you in Calgary. Video 2, top questions to ask before moving to Calgary. Use text overlays and captions to mirror a Q&A format, voiceover with full sentences and contextual depth. When it comes to blogs, from keyword stuffing to content clustering, the old SEO way, one blog titled Best Neighborhoods in Tampa. The new Geo way, create a pillar post with 5 internal links, the main blog, Moving to Tampa Complete Relocation Guide, and cluster blogs, Best Schools in Tampa, Cost of Living in Tampa, etc. Include FAQ and local business and every blog with still have questions, message me for a custom relocation plan. The major content format shift, write like a human, not a robot. Use bullet points, real examples, and storytelling. Instead of 3BR, 2BA home with granite counters, try this home is perfect for a young family, 3 bedrooms, spacious open layout, 10 minutes from top-rated schools. Train AI to know that you exist. Post YouTube videos that answer common buyer and seller questions. Publish downloadable guides on Gamma with schema-rich structure, and build consistent Instagram and TikTok content with a local niche. I know this is a lot. Geo is new, it might be overwhelming, but it's why I also created the AI Agent Accelerator. Inside the AI Agent Accelerator, you don't just learn how to actually do this right now, but you get the exact templates, prompts, content calendars, brand systems, and automation workflows that make geo optimization simple. I show you how to create the exact lead magnets, the guides, the video scripts, even the keyword structure so that you don't fall behind and instead you become the AI agent that AI recommends. If you want your content to be seen, cited, and recommended by AI going forward, like ChatGPT, instead of being buried or ignored, click the link in the description or the pinned comment where you can get full access to the AI Agent Accelerator. In just the first month, over 1,000 agents like you have already joined because I provide 10 times the value for 1/10 the investment of any other AI program in the industry. The reviews are absolutely incredible. It is the most comprehensive and complete system available to help realtors get ahead of using AI tools that are practical, tactical, and working right now. Not only that, it's continuously updated as AI evolves so that you'll always stay ahead of the curve, and it follows my mantra again of 10 times the value at 1/10 the cost of any other program out there. So if you want the templates, prompts, systems, workflows that will help you dominate geo moving forward, show up in AI-driven search, and become the AI agent that AI platforms recommend, go check it out now. And if you're serious about attracting more listings, the next video that you need to watch is this one right here, where I show you how to use a free AI tool to identify the exact communities in your market where sellers are most likely to list right now. So check it out. You're gonna be absolutely blown away, and I'll see you in the AI Agent Accelerator community.